Yeah, I'm very happy to have y'all all here today. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's very, you know what I'm saying? It's a very blessing for me to be able to host, since I'm very popping now in these streets. You know, thank you to the Bodega Boys for putting me on the map. You know, I'm a very humble, you know what I'm saying, phlebotomist, you know, and just like, I'm just very happy to have all of y'all here today. And I would just like to say, you know, we said grace, so I would like to go around the table and everybody just say what you're thankful for. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to start with you, Michael. Okay? Is that okay with you, Papi? Okay. Personally, I'm grateful for, you know what I'm saying, getting put on the map and being the #1 bottle waitress and phlebotomist in the tri-state area. We're going to Connecticut with P.O. this weekend. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be lit. So I'm gonna pass the mic to you, Michael. Go ahead, Papi. Tell them what you're thankful for.
What? Yeah, I'm thankful for fucking, you know what I'm saying, like Julio fucking finally coming through with this hot bag, bro. Like, finally, bro. Like, when I go to the bathroom, please do not come in the bathroom, bro. If I lock the bathroom and you knock and I don't answer, you know what's going on. So I'm thankful for this hot bag. I'm thankful for my fucking cunt of a mother for not kicking me out yet. You know what I'm saying? I could be on some Michael Redondo shit, you know what I mean? Just trying to find a place to stay. But thank you to my Nana. Her sauce is delicious. And that's about it. Yeah, what are you thankful for, you fucking pig? Well, thank you, son. I appreciate the opportunity to you know, speak on this behalf. I'm grateful for all the Moulignons that I've arrested in the past year. You made me look great. I'm grateful for you know, De Blasio. No, I'm not. He's a piece of shit. I'm grateful for the return of Rudy Giuliani, his triumphant return to New York as mayor, and you know, a lot of things like that. Now we're gonna turn it over to entertainment. Benzo the Clown. Hey guys, I'm here. Thanksgiving is usually, you don't order a clown, but whatever. I'm gonna go lay down for a second. If I piss on myself, wake me up, alright? This is the #1 podcast in the fucking world, you piece of garbage. Happy Thanksgiving. You know what I'm saying? When I wake up, I guess I'll call the turkey or pernil, whatever the fuck you guys cooked. I think Julio bought the pernil, alright? So, enjoy the show. I'm going to be baking balloon animals, and by balloon animals, I mean I'm going to be shitting heroin bundles out of my ass in a second. So, you know, enjoy the show. Yeah, it's on. Do the fucking drop for these guys. Do the drop. Let's go. Let's get it. I got to get out of here. I got an appointment. I got to re-up my script. Let's go.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Episode 135. Bodega Boys in the building, the most dangerous podcast in the world. Coming to you live. It's the Foreskin Boys coming to you live from Milk Studios, where they make all the milk.
Yes.
For New York City Board of Education.
Yes.
Okay, they get it from rats, like in The Simpsons. They put the little sensors on their titties and pump them.
Rat milk. Rat milk is good for you.
Rat milk is very watery. That's why your kids get osteoporosis.
That's right.
Which is not to be confused with Ospi Spumante, which is a delicious drink if you broke. And it was like, you know what I'm saying?
We should live in laws. You know, it's Spumante. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the sponsors. Shout out to Square Cash. Shout out to Milk Studios. We're coming to you live from the Jam Room.
The Jam Room. We jamming.
We're jamming.
We're jamming.
We're working on Thanksgiving Eve. For you ball bags out there.
Exactly.
You're welcome.
It's a gridlock alert, and we out here working.
I literally left my turkey in the oven right now.
That's right.
Charlie's watching it. I hope it doesn't burn.
Yo,
I put it on 200 degrees, so it's gonna take 3 days.
Slow cooker.
To cook. Yeah. Good, I microwaved it first instead of defrosting it.
Yeah,
it was just a bowl. I mean, like, what's the worst that could happen?
What's the worst that could happen?
Worst comes to mind. I go to Boston Market. Y'all niggas won't know.
You know what I'm saying? Can you get a big ass turkey at Boston Market?
You can get a big ass turkey at Boston Market. You have to call in advance, but you could just get like cut up turkey and just lie to niggas.
A lot of niggas like,
keep going to the kitchen like, oh, I'll cut you a piece.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, I pre-carved it.
Just don't mash shit in the garbage. What's all this Boston Market? I was like, that was last week.
Yeah, I had a Super Bowl party here last week. Super Bowls are not until February.
Why you still make questions?
Shut up.
Yeah, for Thanksgiving and investigations. Speaking of investigations, shout out to Takashi 69.
Whoa!
Niggas FVO, blicky guts.
Federal indictment coming down. Rico.
He got hit with the Rico, not Porto.
Yo, not Suave.
Damn. Sad. They got hit with racketeering.
Prison.
Racketeering sounds like some shit Dick Tracy's outside your house with a Tommy gun.
Yeah,
give it a big face and Tekashi and flat gums.
Flat top and Tekashi got caught up in some racketeering.
Dancing like Cab Calloway with Janet Jackson in that video, just a colorful villain. No, they called him on Rico. And it wasn't like, it was definitely, we always talk about it here on this podcast, the difference between like regular charges and Fed charges when they come with the binder and they come with the operation stupid. And that
nigga stupid. I ain't stupid.
They got a fucking PowerPoint.
Yo, you just see mad FBI agents in like a break room and shit with that shit on loop. Like, niggas think I'm stupid. I ain't stupid. They're like, he sure is stupid.
Oh man, if there's any justice in the world, in a closing statement, they have to use his lyrics. They have to be like, indeed, the defendant, it was indeed stupid. Oh. And then they're like, the whole thing with 6ix9ine was he was flying too high. Yeah. He was flying too high. Remember, was it Frank Lucas and American Gangster where he went to the boxing match in the fur?
That's when you did it. That's when you fucked up.
6ix9ine was doing too, telling people suck his dick, fighting with other rappers and shit. Niggas, you get too hot. Niggas gonna watch you, man.
They on you, bro.
And Fat Joe tried to warn him. We tried to warn him.
Everybody tried to warn him. Charlamagne tried to warn him. Everybody tried to warn him.
He didn't have people in his circle that cared about him. You know what I'm saying? Just some people wanted to be around just to post video clips about it.
Post video clips and get that bread.
Hopefully, said person won't end up having to testify. That'd be a shame,
fam.
Langston
Chancleta 69 is gonna be his new name because my man is gonna flip on everybody.
But can he?
I mean, if
they offer him a deal, that's one thing. But I mean, it's like the Fed. It's the Fed. If the Feds already have you for stuff, they're not gonna offer you a deal. Like that doesn't help them. Like if they can do that to help their case against the other guys, but it's just like when the city or the government remember how hard they went for Lil Wayne and Ja Rule.
They're like, we're gonna make an example.
They both
had
simple gun possession charges, and with Ja Rule they went with Lil Wayne they went as far as to get fingerprint DNA evidence off the gun, which they don't normally do. So you think they're gonna let some little rainbow hit? Also, I worried about 6ix9ine because I just work. I'm an older West Indian parent, I guess. And I was just like, what job are you gonna do when you're 40 with a 6ix9ine tattooed on your face?
What are you gonna do?
HR is only but so understanding.
And they're talking about 32 years minimum?
Yeah, that's
with facing life.
Yeah,
I'm like, dog, that's not max B numbers. Like niggas ain't gonna be saying free Tekashi.
No,
for like
you can say free Tekashi if it's 32 light because he can't get it up. Then you do it at concerts. We might do it at our next Bodega Boys show.
Damn, bro. Yeah, that's 85% of the time. If that time, right?
Yeah.
There's no parole.
Yeah,
and like 50 said, when the feds come, you do 80% of the time. So if you get 10 years, you damn near did 9. You want coke price going up, nigga?
Come on, and fucking A-Reds playing to the building, nigga. Coke price went up 10 grand this fucking week.
So you got to watch how that plays out. Damn, Tekashi. And they said they took him in because
he had a good run.
He was going to get super violent. He was 10 for 10 on the streaming things. I know one song.
They said he dropped November 21st last year, so almost a year to the day. That's a year.
He had a good year. Yeah, good year. Sometimes you got a good year, sometimes you got a bad year.
You get a good run.
It's like best sports, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Mari had that good year.
Tekashi was the who was he? He's the what was the guy?
He's the Jeremy Lin of fucking rap.
Oh wow,
he had a hot run. Then it was just
and
like
the feds realized he couldn't dribble to his left.
Yeah, then it was a rap.
It was the rap.
We banishing you to the Brooklyn Nets, nigga.
Sad.
With dreads.
With dreads.
Shout out to the Brooklyn Nets. Did you see their city jerseys? They had the Coogee shit.
Word?
I was like, all right.
Okay, homage to Biggie. Okay.
And they had an article, and it was like, would Biggie have been a New Jersey Nets fan if he was still alive? Nah,
because he has a song. He was like, where he smashed somebody from the Knicks.
Yeah. Well, also because he was a real New Yorker, and real New Yorkers do not acknowledge the Brooklyn Nets. I just slipped to call them the New Jersey Nets. In my head, they will always be.
Yeah, will always be.
The only real Nets fan I know is my man G Stelio. Oh my god, because he was a Nets fan from childhood, even though he lived in New York. Which I don't get it. Also, he had some wild prediction. Like he was like, "Yo, Jay-Z's gonna be the greatest rapper ever," and I was like, "What?"
Was it that crazy? Look, I know Kingdom Come was a flop, but who else was there?
He said this when Reasonable Doubt dropped.
Okay, yeah.
And I was like, nigga, you are fucking wilding.
Yeah.
Because I was on that Nas hip hop shit.
Cool feet.
He said that and I just tightened the straps on my JanSport. It's like, I don't need this.
I don't need this mafioso.
You know what, matter of fact, let me put some new AA batteries in my Walkman.
I go to this new group home.
Okay, guess what? One side of this cassette is longer than the other, so I have to fast forward. Y'all know about them. You don't know about that, kids.
You know what I'm saying? You have to record some bullshit for like 30 seconds over it.
The only struggle kids know is like downloading the wrong song on like Limelight or Kazaa or some shit, and it'd be like Soulja Boy.
Yeah. Oh, nah. When you read the description, it's like, nah, it's featuring DMX, featuring Scarface, featuring Bun B, featuring The Fabulous.
Real
like,
remix, not paste up.
Yeah,
It's
you're
a
like,
mess.
all right, nigga, you made this an Acid 4.0.
You guys know about Malcolm in the Middle?
Oh yeah.
The what happened with his old cat,
Frankie Muniz.
Frankie Muniz, and his cat.
What happened to his cat?
Oh, his cat flooded his house while he was at his uncle's.
His cat flooded his house?
Yes, but check out.
Does he have a Hemingway?
Check out the low-key flexing article. The Malcolm in the Middle and Star said on Twitter that he arrived back home only to find 4 of the 5 stories in his brownstone flooded under 3 feet of water.
4 of the 5 stories?
Boom.
So basically, your crib was a fish tank, my nigga? Like, and nobody said anything? Nobody was like across the street like, yo!
Yo, there's water coming out the window.
There's water coming out the 3rd floor, my G! Like,
oh, that's the thing. But he lost like almost everything.
Wow.
Damn.
I hope you have flood insurance, my nigga.
To quote, no, he did. To quote the show, life is unfair. Damn. Nah, that made that. I'm looking at Charlie like, nigga.
I wish you would.
I wish you would.
I will fucking...
Listen, I just got Chrissy Teigen's cookbook. I'll change one of those recipes real quick. You don't want the smoke. I shout out to Charlie. He's been very good. He has not peed on the floor once in your apartment. That was a big problem. I thought about that.
Respect.
Because I was like, damn, I'm going to have to kill. All right. So there was a discussion on Twitter, the difference between drip versus swag.
Drip versus swag.
Now, we just killed the Madison Square Garden show. Shout out to everyone that came out. Call another body.
You know what I'm saying?
Any venue can get it. You know when the bodegas pull up in the building, we shut everything down.
Yeah, I mean.
So, speaking of drip versus swag, oh man, Mero came through wearing the, can we have the fashion report over here? What was going on? What were you rocking? Who are you wearing tonight? Who are you wearing?
Oh, this is just
He had the Gucci Yankee hat.
The Gucci autumn fall collection with the Yankee hat and the gray hoodie. Because I had to keep a hood. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't come through with some wild like Lil Pump outfit with like rhinestones and like tiger heads. And
That's
shit.
the next show.
You know what I'm saying? That's the next shit. And I'm coming out with my chest out next show. I don't care. I'm
The man came through. He had the Thanos boots.
The Thanos.
He had the Infinity Gauntlet boots.
The Infinity fucking thing. Yo, and they got some joints that actually look like Infinity Gauntlets because they got the gems all over them. I'm like, are these removable?
So what's the difference? What's your definition? Drip versus swag.
I feel like drip is just like outfit. Like swag is just like your overall presentation, like how you carry yourself.
Right.
Like drip, like you can have an ill drip, but be swaggerless. You know what I'm saying?
True.
You know what I'm saying? Like, you come through with a fire fit and be like, yo, that shit is like, and then you open your mouth and you're like,
Aaron at Nike hooks you up.
Yeah,
That one time.
Yeah.
Shout out to Aaron.
Yeah, and then you come through and you're just like, while her,
look at my braided belt, y'all. I'm gonna wear khakis and a red hoodie to Target. Okay, I like that.
You know what I'm saying?
I like that.
Drip applies to your outfit, and swag applies to your person.
So it's possible for you to have swag and never drip, but it's possible to drip and never have
be
swag.
swaggerless.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Absorb that, B.
Webster's Dictionary. You writing the shit down?
Writing that? Oxford. Yo, you listening?
Oxford. Is it Dictionary Wars? The niggas be like, yo, I only fuck with this.
I only fuck with Oxford, B.
Merriam-Webster over here,
Yeah,
nigga. All right. M-Dub, you know what it is.
Nigga,
you know what it is. Niggas spray paint irregardless on your house to drive off.
With the little fucking like parentheses, like how to pronounce the shit. Like this is how you say this shit.
I got word banged. God damn it.
Damn niggas in the drive-by vocab.
Oh shit. Niggas just loaded up with like 5 syllables in the car. Like I'm about to see niggas right here.
See this nigga,
about
bro.
to see niggas,
I got an
right?
onomatopoeia for this nigga.
Okay, these niggas think these niggas sleeping on my paleontology.
I bet.
All right, cool. Like, what's the etymology of shut up, nigga? Yo, shit, yo. This is the final scene of fucking Boys in the Hood. I'm at Society, niggas is jumping on the kid on the bicycle and shit.
Niggas like, yeah, I don't know what an adverb is.
Nigga getting hit with mad vowels in his back, like, sometimes why? Oh, shit. Either they don't know or they don't show what goes on in the dictionary ghetto.
Yeah.
Our new movie, Words in the Hood. I'm just a triple word score trying to get out the hood, man.
You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm trying to do. Be a multisyllabic out here. You know what I'm saying? We're doing it.
Words in the hood. Cuba Gooding Jr., what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Come reshoot this with us.
Put your shirt on, nigga. Come shoot this movie with
It's
us.
either that or Radio 2. And you know the world is not ready for
Radio 2.
Radio 2. More radio in.
More radio in.
When the Bodega Boys discover radio can count cards, they go to Vegas for wacky antics. He's at the table. You know what? Now that we on video,
Let's chill.
let's not do that. How about that? How about we just chill? I'll see you, camera.
Ain't catching me, nigga.
Ain't catching me. No. Shout out to everyone out there finessing the self-checkout at Target.
Everywhere,
Everywhere.
bro. I finessed some checkout at Home Depot on this
Yo.
Sunday, B. I felt like a god.
Shout out to my 4011 gang, bananas. You know what that is. All right, you punch that in. What's how save yourself some money? You want to go? Listen, you want to do some high stakes shit? What is? I think it's 4048 for limes. Yeah, it's a code for the register.
Yeah.
So when you go in there, you type that in, and then you just scan your socks and your fucking kitchen tech blender, your microwave, Red Dead Redemption 2.
I'm not brave enough for that.
Bananas.
Your 70-inch OLED TV and shit. Like, skirt.
Bananas.
99 cents a pound.
Bananas. Please put in loading area. They be like, wait for staff. You be like,
No. Cancel.
at this point, Target is just a game. It's just a game. Target's like, you walk in, they look at you like, it's like that. So, like, you gonna steal today? You be like, you know, right, sir. Target is my Red Debt Redemption.
That's right, Parker.
I'm like, yeah.
He's riding a horse through housewares.
Looking for dead-eyed Desus. He's been stealing around these parts. I was like, you know, that's right. Top of the morning, Sheriff. I see you patrolling the cookware. Be real shame if a wok disappeared. It's like the standoff at the end. He's like, let me see your receipt. And you see like a tumbleweed and the kid runs aside. They're like, it's a showdown.
It's a showdown.
I don't gotta show you no receipt, Sheriff. And I spit into the.
It's just a nigga with a red polo that says Jose.
Jose.
He's like, Papi, I guess. Okay, you can go. That's fine.
Nah, they be like, yo, show me the receipt. You gonna die. I'm like, hold on, wait a minute.
Wait,
how did it get so? Why is it so high stakes at the end of Target? In my particularly hood Target, because I've been to white Targets, they don't like checking the receipts when I leave. They're just like, have a good day.
Yeah.
You want me to help you with your packages?
Fam, I'm so surprised at the difference because like I walk out of Target with like shit under my cart and the shit beeps and I just do the and just keep it moving. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
is that me? Oh shit! Yeah, there we go. I thought the clown was coming. I was like, oh,
For real? Like, are we remaking Ben-Hur?
I was like, whoa.
Which
Milk
I'll
set
do.
us up.
I'll do it.
Milk's like, yeah, we're gonna lynch the Bodega Boys as the art exhibit. I'm like reading it. I'm like, Victor sends it over. I'm like, all right, I guess accept.
I guess. Okay, cool.
Are you free for the lynching? And I was like, yeah. And I was like, we got to go to it. They're like, yeah, you guys are going to it.
You guys are the guests of honor.
Sacha gives us new outfits. Dark.
He's like, yeah, they asked for you guys to wear these scarves. I don't know. They're like their new kind of scarf.
Oh, dark Jesus. The darkest of the days. Oh man! Shout out to my Yankees.
Yeah.
Shout out to James Paxton. Join the rotation.
Yeah.
All right. Sorry, Justice Sheffield. We had a good run. We loved your father, but we had to get you out of here.
Yeah. Sorry, pal.
I mean, that's a good pickup with him and CC.
Yeah.
We got a nice rotation.
CC re-up. You know what I'm saying?
People are saying that we're chasing Boston and Astros. We don't chase anybody.
We don't chase nobody. We lead. We lead by example, B.
Okay.
You know
we don't care about you guys.
When the Yankees lose, it's just like an act of kindness to the other clubs in the Major League Baseball because it's like, yo, we won so much. Let y'all niggas live.
You know what it is? It's like we talked about earlier, drip versus swag.
Yeah.
When the Astros win, it's drip.
It's drip.
When Boston wins,
it's drip.
It's drip.
When the Yankees win,
that's swag. Yankees
swag, B.
Without even having to win, it's got that swag. Look how cocky we are.
Look how cocky. And you know how hard it is to have swag on a Yankees team? Fam, you got to shave your whole face. Your name is on the back of your jersey.
They have a handicap.
You know what I'm saying? Like, they have a swag handicap.
And like every number's been retired. Aaron Judge wears 99 because he has to. It wasn't a choice.
We make up for it because we are the Yankee fan base, and we had the swag. We had the swag. You're right, Cole.
Yeah.
We are the love children of George Steinbrenner.
Yeah.
It's true. He had
He's the boss.
He's the boss. Give it up for him.
Yo, he had the guts of a burglar.
He did.
He did.
Yo, he didn't give a
They're
fuck.
asking if he should go to the Hall of Fame or something?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Hell yeah.
Actually, the Hall of Fame is not big enough for the boss. Just
Yeah,
two people.
he needs his own wing.
We need to make a Yankee Hall of Fame, just him and Mike Francesa.
That's it.
We didn't even wait for Mike Francesa to die. We put him in right now. He just does a live broadcast from his mausoleum every night.
Of course I could manage it, because I mean, I'd love to try, you know. I mean, I think I could do it.
How long do you think we keep Mike Francesa alive for with like just Diet Cokes?
Eternally.
Yeah.
Eternally. I think the aspartame and the Diet Coke is what keeps him alive.
Yeah, I feel like if you take him off of it, he'll die.
He'll die.
Yeah.
Is
know
Mike
some people-
Francesa the Jay-Z of New York sportscasters?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Who else is fucking
He
with him?
retired and came back.
And came back? You know what I'm saying?
Encore. They gotta reshoot that. They gotta reshoot Encore with Mike.
Thank you. You're far too kind. Steve, give me another that Coke. I see some bully guys in the first row. Get him out of here.
Michael.
Thank you.
Michael.
Appreciate it. We could have
Could
been anywhere, but you chose to be here with me tonight.
Did you switch to H of the Izzo? I would love to hear him do that. Did you remember the video for
throwing
H
up
of the
the
Izzo?
diamond like, yo, Michael. Ooh.
It's the fan.
It's the fan. It's the fan, bitch. Holla.
Mike's on.
We gotta reshoot every Jay-Z video, but it's Mike Francesa and Memphis Bleak. Mike Francesa doing the Dynasty intro.
Yo, I'll say right now, I think Mike Francesa's Grey album would be better than Jay-Z's Grey album.
Oh shit!
I feel like he mixes better with the Beatles.
I can't wait to hear his lead-off single, Gorilla,
with Young Thug. I can hear it.
with Gorilla Black.
Oh shit! Yo, so shout out to shit. Hold up, we gotta re-up on it. All right, we're good right now. Shout out to Mayor de Blasio, you coward who does not know how to run the city. You ran us into, you had us looking like Atlanta last Friday when we was trying to get, last Thursday. A little, what was it, 3 inches of snow? No.
Fam.
We were predicted to have 3 inches of snow.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then Mother Nature was like, you thought?
You thought?
You thought? Wow. We
Hold
got
up.
like 12 inches in like 2 hours.
Yep.
Okay, I had to walk over a bridge. Like, this shit is nautical times and shit. Like, I had to look out for pirates. At the end of the shit, I had to eat sauerkraut to beat scurvy. Like, what kind of shit is this? I seen a mermaid.
Fam.
Niggas was like, yo, holy, I seen a nigga walk the plane. I looked on Twitter.
Should turn into Waterworld.
Me and Mero left at 4:30.
Yep.
Mero, what time did you reach home?
9 p.m. My guy.
God.
But you went to Jersey, though. Like, I was disappointed when I saw the videos on Twitter, and, like, there wasn't that. Like, I could still see asphalt, but people were walking on the GW. Come on.
Okay.
Don't get out your cars. This isn't North Carolina.
I went to the
Crowd,
fucking,
I can see the Cross Bronx Expressway from my house. People were getting out their cars on the Cross Bronx Expressway. I saw a car from my window. It stayed in the same position for 4 hours. The cars were not moving. People were just getting out their car to scrape the snow off the top. And then the cop car came through like whoop whoop, and it was like, "Where the fam? Where you going?
What are you
going?
What are you doing?"
And then De Blasio had a wild, spicy press conference the next day, like, "Oh, you couldn't. Oh, you could run the city better. Go ahead.
Good.
Here. You know what? Here.
How about that? Here.
Gracie Mansion is yours.
Yeah,
Fuck it. I'm gonna go fuck my black wife.
Yeah,
How
go
about
to
that?
Airbnb. Me
How
and
about
Hasan
that?
go to fucking
Go help
Hasan.
my son
Yeah,
pick out
yeah.
his afro. Fucking asshole. What else? Everyone was like, yo, like, why weren't there plows? I don't know. Who am I, Mr. Plow?
Yo.
Huh? Is this a Simpson episode?
Fam.
Ask me a good question. Ask me what's Sabaro's pizza. I think you did backwards.
Fam, and it's crazy because I got a lot of friends that work for sanitation, and they were like, "Yo, niggas was not ready."
Niggas was not ready whatsoever. You know what? None of the buses
I
had...
expected it in Jersey, like, because Jersey is like town by town,
Right.
But New York City is New York City, so like everybody's covered. Like,
None of the MTA buses had chains on their tires, so
None.
buses were spinning out left and right.
Then they closed the Port Authority and was just like, "Sorry, y'all."
Yo, how the Porter was like, we ran out of buses. She's like, what?
I was like, "What?"
That's not how it works.
Oh, fam, when is this turned into a Jamaican restaurant? Like, yo, we not have that.
They was like, yo, you want substitution?
No.
Done. It's done. It's done.
Oh, the fuck? Yo, I'm like, yo, and then they just show, like, you know, people, social media, people posting pictures on Twitter and shit, and it's just like a mob of angry people and just like mass soldiers with like wild fucking Call of Duty armaments and shit. I was just like, fam, this could get ugly fast.
Shit, I mean, listen, if you don't get prepared, I don't know.
Fam.
We gotta, as New Yorkers from now on, everyone, when you leave your house, get a pocket full of rock salt.
Yeah.
And that way, if everyone just sprinkles rock salt as they walk.
Yeah, that's it. We'll be straight.
We can't rely on the government no more.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
that's it.
I'm sorry.
You got to look out for yourself.
The division was not a game. It was a warning of what's going to come.
Yes.
Okay? I need y'all.
You know what I'm saying?
It's time to rise up against the oppressors. I'm not saying any particular government is an oppressor, but, it's time. Let's get the revolution popping. We got to get the revolution popping before January, because January we all go back to the gyms. And start working out and working on
resolutions.
fitness.
Yeah.
Imagine if the revolution popped on Thanksgiving. Would niggas leave?
Nah.
We have the
Like,
itis.
oh, son.
You got a plate and shit. You be like, shit.
I'm on my second plate, my G.
This cranberry hitting. Oh, shit.
Yo,
they got
fuck.
mad mac and cheese and shit.
Oh, man.
Nigga propped them on the AR. Like,
Yo.
let me cat. Look, I'm gonna take a 10-minute nap.
Hold on. Look. I just drank 3 margaritas, my nigga. Hold on. Let me take a little nap real quick.
Sorry, the revolution will not be televised. Actually, it's gonna be through Milk Studios.
You know what I'm saying?
Nah, it won't.
Imagine.
Yeah, it won't.
We just don't light shit on fire in here, just like run out.
No, the government made sure me and Mero got into a lot of money, so we would never lead the revolution. If we stayed broke, we definitely.
Oh yeah, we'd be up there. Oh yeah.
They was like, nah, just make them pacify them.
Yeah,
give them lots of bread and
give
shit.
them some bread.
The
Like,
same thing as in booking, was they give you a lot of bread and milk.
Yeah.
And they make you groggy.
Yeah, it's just like, yo.
So they made us
How much
groggy.
PB&J
Sorry.
can I make? Yo.
People was like, yo, they're the next young leaders. We're like, nah, nigga.
Nope. Trying to get to this bag, bro. So I apologize.
Okay.
Trying to send my kids to Don Bosco to play football. Shit.
I'm eating cherry chicken and rice, and these chicks look nice. Shout out to Little Dap and Malachi, the Nutcracker.
Nutcracker.
Oh, it sounds painful. It all sounds painful.
I want to hear a Malachi the Nutcracker and Hurricane G like joint album.
Leave my lips be Americans alone. Why are you like this? Why are you like this, Mero?
Yo. Oh man. That'll be album of the year for me personally.
Ain't nobody trying to listen. It's 2018, my guy. You gotta put Young Baby on there, NBA Young Boy.
NBA Young Boy.
Somebody, you gotta put somebody young in there. Young MC grabbed that early.
Yeah.
Does he still go by that?
I don't know if he can. I don't know if he can. I think he's middle-aged MC
Like,
by now.
Invalid, please. Check settings. Please go home.
Joel Santana was 18 for like 6 years. So, I mean.
18, living a crazy life.
Living a crazy life.
Living a crazy life. Can't say crazy life. Problematic. Look at the problematic life thing.
Living a wild life.
You know what?
When they doing concert now, does he actually say his real age now? Is he like, yo, I'm 33 and live a crazy life?
I'm a big Joel's fan. I can't say the last time I've been to
a Dipset concert?
A Dipset concert, my guy. I have a very busy schedule. I have a very busy schedule.
I'm 33 and live a moderately uncomfortable life.
So listen, June 29th through the 30th of 2019. You know what it is? Red Sox Yankees. London Stadium.
Oh boy.
2 p.m. General MT time. You know what it is? I might pull up. I might pull up. It might be time to cross the pond and be the wild dickhead Yankee fan in England. I'm gonna bring all my cousins from South London.
They're throwing batteries, ain't it?
Oh man,
they're throwing batteries, man.
I'm gonna throw crumpets. I'm gonna throw oyster cards. What are you talking over there, man?
Yeah.
And what's the okay? I would say, it's gonna be June. See, back in the day, if it was like June 29th, it'd be like, it's gonna be cold. But like because of global warming, it's probably gonna be like 100. It's gonna be 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which is like 10 degrees Celsius. I don't know.
Yeah, who knows?
But
it's converted somehow.
That's gonna be. But no, those.
Do they have the fancy section though over there? Like,
of course,
where you could go sit and just get unlimited bangers and mash.
If you do the math, because shout out to Showtime, new show on deck.
Yeah,
it's coming soon. By June 30th, we're gonna be so popping, it's gonna be obnoxious. Like they'll actually show us something. They'll be like, from overseas. Look at the blokes.
Look
Bodega
at
Boys in the building.
The Bodega blokes in the building.
The brand is stronger even overseas.
Anyway, it's an interesting game. So my Judge has stolen second base. Was not expecting that. He's a large fellow.
You're British is also like a surfer dude. I'm like, fam, where'd you grow? He was like, I travel a lot.
I travel a lot. I lived in California and London.
Fuck my dad. He was a military guy. Oh man! Yeah. Shout out to California. They had I was gonna say they had the wildfire.
It's literally a wildfire.
That fire, damn.
And then your man Trump came out and he's like, if you just rake leaves, they won't be fires. Dry leaves are like kindling.
He don't know shit.
You don't know shit.
And people were like, no, he's right. I'm like, no, not really. Not really. It's not exactly how it works.
It's not how it works.
It's kind of like saying, if you wash your dick with soap and water after sex, you won't get AIDS.
You won't get AIDS. No.
Nah, that's not how it works.
That's not how it works.
That's not how it works.
We gotta send him. He gotta go back to school.
No, people voted for him.
Yo,
people voted for him.
stop.
Because when you think like the average Trump voter, they're like, "Yo, if he could do this, I could do this." I can see why they voted for him. I can see why they voted for him.
Now you just see American Idol. That type of shit started this whole wave.
If you voted
like,
for Trump,
do it.
you are the same as a person that bought a PT Cruiser.
Right.
Like a couple years later, he was like, "Damn, I was fucking wildin'."
I was
but
wildin'.
you stuck with it.
Yeah.
And then niggas is roasting you on the street like, "Yo, you drive a PT Cruiser,
Boy, yo,
it's actually a great car."
Yo, look
It's
at
actually a great car.
This nigga Dick Tracy pulling up. Yo, it's Don Draper, nigga.
Yo. What is that? A hearse for little people? Shout out if you got a PT Cruiser and you listen to this, shout
out to you. You know what I'm saying?
Just driving around.
Do better.
Boom, boom, boom. Take that, PT Cruiser drivers.
Boom, boom, explode.
Wow. That's take that dart, Chrysler.
Yo, my homegirl Cat got a PT Cruiser still. Shout out to you, Cat. Be like, I don't know how you got this
On
shit.
purpose?
On purpose, like just out here putting.
What color?
It's like eggplant. Like,
Are they in a ska band?
nah, yo, and she live on Ho Ave. Like,
Damn.
she got the PT Cruiser parked on Ho Ave.
That sounds like an A$AP Rock song title.
PT Cruiser parked on Ho Ave.
Oh, that's a spoken word album.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what the PT stands for, right?
Pop. I don't know. I'm popped. I couldn't even.
Plymouth truck.
Oh, Plymouth truck.
Even though it was made from Chrysler, but they never honestly said what it stood for, so it could be anything.
Oh shit, CB in the building, yeah.
CB in the building.
Do the wild like, yeah, extreme close up. Whoa.
All right. Yo, shout out to this American man described in local media as an adventure tourist as a Christian ministry who was killed by tribesmen on North Citadel Island because in India you're not supposed to go to certain islands, and he went there. He was like, "Yo,
what up?
Can I tell you about Jesus?"
Yo,
and they shot him to death with arrows.
Yo, if you get murked with arrows in 2018, you had it coming.
Do people do a warning arrow? You just fire one in there like
in the air, like shit.
That's not the same as a gunshot. I'm like, "Oh, y'all archery niggas?"
Oh, what?
That first one hit him, he was like, "Oh, y'all shooting."
Oh shit, okay. But I thought about it and I was just like, damn, how do you get hit by an arrow? You got to see this shit coming. But then it's just like, these dudes have been probably shooting them shits for mad years and they're probably
what do you
good.
Zigzag?
Like they Hawkeye and shit. Like yeah, like remember Apocalypto?
He probably prayed. He probably prayed and was like, "Lord, look over me because I'm spreading your word," and walked towards it. And it was just like,
what is your man doing? Like, let's turn this nigga into a shish kebab.
I'm gonna get him right in the chest. I gotta fucking unlock the weapon on Call of Duty. He was like, "Doom. Rocket launcher unlocked, level 4.
Achievement unlocks. You murked a missionary."
Niggas had the fucking bow and arrow with the fucking camel on it.
Yo, get the fuck out of here. Bro, stay out of places where you're not supposed to go.
Yeah, I mean, even Jehovah's Witnesses, after 2 knocks, they go away.
They go away.
Niggas not trying to open your window and climb through like, yo,
what up?
Yo, you want these watch towers? And nah, I'm just leave them here.
Yo, I'm just trying to tell you niggas about paradise. Come on, what's good?
All about paradise. Get that Kenny Loggins going on.
Kenny Loggins.
Oh, man. Shout out to Pusha T, who survived an attempt on his life.
Oh, my God.
In Canada.
Damn. That was wild.
By the water gods.
And I'm saying, an attempt on your life in Canada is niggas throwing water at you. Because they're mad polite. They don't actually want to kill you. They just want to like wet you to let you know that they've been offended.
I watched that video 4 times. I'm just like, yo, how big are the beverages in this venue?
Yo.
Everyone had like a 40-ounce cup.
Yo, everybody had big gulps and shit. Like, yo, fuck y'all.
Niggas just throwing fucking O'Doul's and shit. Shout out to whatever person who probably has a scorpion emoji in their Twitter name that tried to hop on stage
and got
got the Canadian beatdown. But to be fair, though they have free healthcare.
Yeah, so he's good.
Yeah,
He's
get your teeth fixed.
He's in the ER chilling right now.
Imagine getting beat up for Drake. Drake don't even know you.
Fam, I'll be in that nigga's DMs like, yo, this was me.
Yo, you showed this nigga your bill. Like, yo,
look.
Yo, Aubrey, we gotta talk.
Yo, son.
Yo. Hit that nigga with a Venmo request.
Next thing you know, you're on the album.
Hospital bills, eh?
Drake,
I need at least an OVO chain.
Yo, let me do a skit on the album or something.
Just give me a satin jacket, something.
Nigga. Shit. At least something from like the old, like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
is there any rapper you would hop on stage to beat someone up for?
Any rapper I would hop on stage and beat someone up for? It depends on the rapper that insulted them, and it depends on the rapper. Maybe like somebody really important to me in my youth, like Prodigy or Big Pun. Maybe. But not even that, because I'm like, nigga, I'm 35. I'm like, I ain't trying to jump on stage and fight niggas. Like,
I'll fight niggas for designer.
For designer.
Messy.
Pounding. Nigga, that's what you gonna get.
Shout out to designer.
Yeah, man.
Letting people be claro.
You know what I'm saying? Put niggas claro, yo. Don't talk spicy.
Letting people know if you draw lines in the sand.
Yeah, let's see.
Are all the lines the same? T report. T report.
Yes. Oh, take a sip.
Take a sip. Sponsored by Sanka. Sanka and a fillet of fish as you wait for the embrace of death. Shout out to everyone that is spending their Thanksgiving tomorrow doing exactly that because your kids hate you.
Yeah. You voted for Trump, you're not invited to Thanksgiving and shit. Like, yo.
I don't need that. I got my Sanka and my fillet of fish.
I'll be perfectly fine. And guess what? I don't even have to tie my shoes because they're Velcro.
And you know what? You keep that little interracial baby away from my house. Just go in there with a MAGA hat, mad sad, like, sir, we're closing at 1. God damn it.
Damn it.
That's Sharia law.
What am I supposed to do? That's Sharia law.
Shout out to my Thanksgiving. I'm having a turkey that's made out of fillet of fish. So
a turfishin?
Yeah, turfishin. Instead of cranberry sauce, it's a big bowl of tartar sauce.
Oh, God.
Scooping it on people's plate.
Oh, God.
You want more?
Oh, I'm so glad I didn't eat today. I'm like,
the stuffing is just mashed up fucking chicken McNuggets. All right, order my recipe now. You too can make Thanksgiving dinner for $5.
Yo, what was that fucking group of like 4 white guys that would just make the most disgusting concoctions? They would put like 2 DiGiorno pizzas in the oven and then make a cheeseburger out of this shit.
The Beatles?
I think so. It was either them or the Monkeys.
hey, we're the Monkeys.
They say monkey around.
What was that? Were the Monkeys the GoBots to the Beatles Transformers?
Yes. They were absolutely. They were trying.
Wow.
But they had like a sitcom and shit too.
I know they had a Saturday morning cartoon that came on. You woke up. You was like, damn, I'm up early as fuck. I'm gonna go back to bed.
I'm going back to bed till Sonic the Hedgehog.
That means if the Monkeys was on, that means you were up so early. Your second parent was not home from work yet. You might get your ass beat. You better go back to bed.
I'm like, that motherfucker.
Your father just walk in like, what? You were like, oh shit.
Oh,
he still got his brief. He's like, why you up? You're like,
oh shit.
He just got to drop on the floor, pretend you had a heart attack. And shit.
The TV turned out with that. I don't know what to do. He's like,
wait a minute. The name of Tekashi's album is Dummy Boy? They definitely using that in the closing arguments. They'll be like, so after the evidence proceeded, not only I would like to point out the defendant is not only stupid,
he's also a dummy boy.
Well, the cops are like,
good one, Patchouli. Good one, Patchouli.
The lawyer comes back and fist bumps everyone like, yeah.
Niggas are doing the fucking Russell Wilson.
They're like, yeah. John Jay, College of 88. Yeah, we're drinking at O'Flannery's tonight. Got another one. Shout out to everyone that knows how the legal system works, only from Law and Order. Because that's not how it works in real life. But it looks great on Law and Order. Shit move real fast.
Mad fast.
You want to know what Tekashi's first case is like? Your Honor, we need more time. All right. 30-30 rule. Okay, next case.
Yeah. Boom. Yeah, we'll see
you in May.
We'll see you in 6 months.
We need more time for a discovery.
And the feds just find more shit. This nigga goes on Instagram and he's like, yeah, niggas think I'm stupid. I ain't stupid. With like 13 guns in the background.
The feds probably came through with like Lisa Frank Trapper Keepers.
Like, yo, we heard this was your aesthetic.
Anytime the feds arrest you and you hear it, any of the court papers, when you turn to page 200,
you're like, woo, it's quiet.
Nah.
It's quiet for you.
If the feds have to use bookmarks while reading your charges, they dog your pages and shit.
Niggas come through with the Star Report and shit. Like, shit is 80 million pages long.
Shit looking like Norton's anthology. Like, no, you don't want that. And then on his shit, they got like video and shit. Like they were using a Slack channel. They upgraded for this shit.
Ironically, his shit probably looks like the GED test prep book, which he should have been reading.
Damn, imagine if you go back in time and it was like, yo, you could either be this rich rapper for a year, but then you go to jail for the rest of your life.
Oh my god!
Or you just get your GED and just be like a regular nobody.
Just be a regular nigga.
Would you?
Fam.
I take the year as a rapper.
It depends. Like how
he might have got his duck.
He might have got his something.
He might have got his dick sucked more times in the last year than he would have
ever in his
as
life.
A regular person for the rest of his life. So
Noriega brought that point up a long time ago.
listen.
I would sometimes. I think if a nigga was a Nori, could I fuck that like I did? Would I get ass as a regular kid? You know what I'm saying?
It's deep.
It's deep.
Nori, the poet laureate of our generation.
You know what I'm saying? The philosopher.
How many times I've always said Maya Angelou, Nori right there. I know why the cage bird says, what,
nigga, what?
Put the bogey out in your face.
Yo, now you Trey Slangs like ass Trey face. Shoot you up above your cockatiel.
Oh, fuck. On the wings of love. Someone need to remake that. That was a good song. We still working on that Bodega Boys album, the Leche
That's
Boys.
right, yo. You know what I'm
Streets
saying?
don't want that. Because I listen to all these rappers now. I'm like, we could do that.
We could definitely do that.
We could do that. Come on.
Yeah.
You know, we've heard every possible rap combination. We could rap. You do your little Spanish singing about eating pussy shit. You know what I'm saying? I do my Jamaican shit. Talk about how if you eat pussy, you're gay. I mean, the streets want this. So that's our next thing we're working on. EP by Hasan and Ezra. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do Beatles covers, but we're like gonna just fuck the words up and shit. I saw her standing somewhere.
Yo.
Come together. Come together.
Jerk off.
Actually, was that the Beatles? Come together? Yeah, right.
Yeah.
But didn't they come out and say they was like jerking off together when they were born?
Yes.
They didn't have Netflix though. So.
Yeah, but still, it's like, bro, like I like.
Yeah,
We've
we've been in enough situations. That's never come across our minds.
No.
We're like, yo, you want to go smoke?
Yeah.
Let's drink. Let's go get some food. Yeah. It's never been like, yo, you want to beat your one-eyed Willie?
Yeah, let's jerk off together.
Yeah,
let's just hang out and jerk off. Like if
we were hanging and like you just pulled your Willie Bobo out and started jerking, I'd just leave.
Yeah,
I'm like, he wants privacy.
He wants privacy.
I respect that.
I'm gonna give him privacy.
I respect that. Like,
I'll put what is that shit called? The Japanese closet or curtain?
The folding wall. What
is that shit? Yeah. Just put one of those in front of you and be like, yo, do your thing, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'll put these headphones on. Like, let me know when you're done.
How does that work? How does that
sanitizer?
Like jerking, like if we're both jerking off, is that like, does this become a competition?
It depends on
like now. Am I looking at you like, nah, nigga?
What's the win though? Like who comes first, or who comes
first last?
Yeah.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? Are we comparing stamina or like, yo, the ability to like use your imagination?
So now I went from like friendly homoerotic play to like just red cis het masculinity. Like, yo,
nah, I'm gonna last longer than you.
Actually, MTV, if you're listening, I got a new show for you. Hosted by Chris and Stefano. Let's go.
They put a little bracelet on to make sure you're not cheating and shit. Like he's doing
sponsored by Fitbit.
He's 50 strokes. He's doing 50 strokes a minute. He's sticking to 50 strokes a minute. Yeah.
It's like mad flashing and shit. They got the Wild 'N Out girls behind you. Like, yo.
It's just like 2 dick-shaped meters like filling up. Like
they got the special celebrity guests. It's like Snoop Dogg. Looks like he's about to come dizzle.
He's about to come dizzle, my nizzle. Then when you busting up, like somebody gets gacked in the audience and shit. Like
one side of the audience gets covered. It's like, on foot. Wow. Michael Blackson has come first. How do you feel?
You know, I always motherfucker. I tell these motherfuckers I was gonna come first, and I did. You know, I always win.
They got the special hour-long one with the chicks.
It's just like talking and shit.
Just have it on in the background, like, Jesus Christ.
Oh my God,
they done yet?
This is taking forever.
Come on, I'll give you a 30-second massage.
Oh God,
I had to give at least 5 licks down there. Like,
the Hitachi again?
Fine.
Jesus Christ.
No, you're the one reaching for the Hitachi. She's like, really, nigga?
Like, yo, I need help.
It was like, as I said earlier, I'm rich. I don't have to do all this shit. I'll be like, yo, can my foreplay guy meet up with you?
You got a foreplay guy?
I got a foreplay guy.
This is called task grabbing and shit.
He's like, I'm from Handy. Yeah. All right, so just show me to the bedroom. Yeah, Scissors I'm here for an hour window. Okay.
All right. You know, every 5 minutes over the hour.
I just walk in. I was like, "How was he? 5? You good with a rating?
5. How many stars? Okay. Do we tip or no?
You know what? I'm gonna tip you cash because I know the app takes some of it. So here,
you're like 5 stars. Excellent conversation.
That's right. That's another Desus, and rich people don't have to do foreplay. It's real. It's true. You think Bill Gates ain't out there eating wild pussy?
Nah, Bill Gates ain't sucking toes and being like, yo, you look so sexy.
Flicking nipples and shit.
Licking earlobes and shit. Like, no, he's like, hey, you want to give me some toppy? I gotta go to a meeting.
He's like, hold on, let me play something sexual for you. He plays like the fucking Windows startup sound.
Yo.
But no, Jeff Bezos is not like.
Nah.
Jeff Bezos' house probably filled with like cheap Amazon shit.
Hell yeah, bro. Like, just shit that niggas return that he just keeps in his crib. Like,
fuck it.
I'm just keep this dildo just
He
in
got
case.
mad fucking LED like dangling lights that are knotted up because niggas couldn't tag with them and shit. He's like, they still work.
It still work. I'm still
still
keeping them. Fuck it.
You have a sex with Jeff Bezos, fucking robot dog comes through. Just so
Starts licking his balls and shit. He's like, stop it.
Not now,
Actually,
Rover.
don't. Actually, no.
It's kinky.
It's kinky. It feels kind of cool.
Jeff Zuckerberg, whatever his name, like he definitely brings out like a real dog himself.
Oh, yeah.
And just completely ignores you.
He is a real doll. Like, nigga is a real. I'm like, how you bring out a real doll if you are a real
He's
doll?
like, no, what do you mean? That's how everyone's genitals look down there.
That's what they all look like down there, downstairs.
It's just a multi-USB port. Just put your phone on it. It just does wireless charging.
He's like, I'm going to hit you with the BBC. Nigga pulls out a power strip. Like, yo, what the fuck, nigga? Like, get out of here.
Please. I know you're nasty, but don't plug a space heater into me.
Plug me in.
Oh, damn. We got nasty real quick on this podcast.
Yes, with the nasty boys.
I'd like to apologize for everyone that listens to this with their kids. You shouldn't be listening to this with your kids.
Yeah. This is adult entertainment.
This is
Adult entertainment doesn't just mean Pino. It means entertainment for adults. Entertainment.
No, there's two different things. There's adult entertainment like PBS, and there's adult entertainment like
Pino.
like Hot Milf punishes stepson.
Hot Milf punishes stepson.
Okay.
Yo, why? Yo, that's what makes me realize like America's fucked up, because like every time I go on like Spank Bang or whatever, and it has like trending, most popular, whatever.
You know
like,
what?
Up and coming.
Let's keep it funky because it says trending, most popular, then customized for you. So what are you doing, Mero? All right. Some of the shit on the first day you be like, oh, that's nasty. Who the fuck is watching that? The second page is like, I guess that's what Americans watching. The third, that's all you, my nigga. That's all you. If it's just like, yo, white stepmom. The next one is just like, yo, cactus and pussy. The third one is like, grandma drunk off coquito gets violated. I mean, that seems very specific. You're like, yo, is she wearing the De Los Mios?
Gilf of coquito gets BBC.
Yo.
Takes platinum at every hole.
Mine when it's like MILF gets extra goat meat. I'm like, yeah.
Oh, I don't see no bones in there. Ooh.
They're like, oh, it's 30 pounds, but I'll give you 40 for free. I'm like, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, shit,
Oh my
nasty.
God. Oh man.
I keep taking it back to where he says 30 for free. I'm like, yes. Just bust off into some cocoa patty. Ah, man, nasty.
Is it cheese, nigga?
Man, gross. Cocoa bread, excuse me. The patty's the patty.
You know what I'm saying? But if you really want to do it, you need that cocoa bread. You need the extra carbs.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
So hopefully you listen to this on Thanksgiving. Maybe you listen to this on Black Friday, which I remind you, Black Friday is called Black Friday because that's the day that masters sold the slaves at a discounted rate.
That's right.
Post that on Facebook and keep it moving.
That's right.
Just put it up.
Don't even ask.
Don't fact check it.
No.
Don't go on Snopes. Snopes is a fraud.
Don't post no links to nothing. Just say that and keep it moving.
Remember Jill Scott posted that up, and then Jill Scott did one video where she was doing like air blowjobs, and everyone was like, "Ah, forget about that. Forget about that. Fuck that." She's sucking ghost dick.
Jill Scott, she's sucking ghost dick. What is Jill Scott doing right now? What's up?
Jill Scott be selling shows and shit. Like
Yeah,
Jill Scott fans are loyal.
They're very loyal.
I've literally seen Jill Scott, and I've seen her in concert at least 15 times.
And she's out here.
All right.
She's unstoppable.
She's unstoppable.
She has a very virulent fan base.
She's a great singer, and she has some wild, great yammers.
Yo.
So shout out to her.
Fam.
You know she smells good.
Yo.
Okay.
Fam.
She smells like Luster Sheen and sweet potatoes.
Oh, man, with the marshmallows on top. Ooh.
She's your aunt that's cooking up at Thanksgiving. She laugh a little too loud.
You see the arm jiggle a little
and
bit.
she pouring a little too much in her cup. Yeah. She started to tell family secrets and shit.
Yeah.
Stop. That's not even your real father.
You be like, what?
Oh, what? Auntie, you were so messy.
You messy ass
She'd be like, oh, if you was my nephew, I'll fuck you. You're like, oh, shit.
What the
Auntie.
fuck? Oh, shit.
Auntie, put that E&J down or don't. or don't.
How related are we?
Like first cousin or like hey, once removed? I feel like once removed was just niggas trying to fuck their cousin.
Yeah, that's it.
Niggas just trying to get like, yeah, like she's not technically my aunt.
I mean, she's, twice removed.
Yeah.
You know, she's my dad's.
When did it become not
mom's
cool to
dad.
fuck your cousin? Because like I guess early. I mean, if you're religious, you understand. Like, didn't Adam and Eve only had sons? So that's a whole loophole we have to go back and talk about. But I guess like 4 generations in, you can be fucking your sister and shit, right?
I mean,
unless you're in like Arkansas.
Yeah, they give it
They
up
get
over
it
there.
in over there.
They get it in over there. Shout out to Arkansas.
Shout out to Arkansas.
No shots. You know what I'm saying?
Not shots, just facts.
Just facts.
Just facts.
We looked it up.
Okay. If you're over here like, yo, not everyone in Arkansas fucks their sister, I mean, like, maybe that's just you.
Maybe you're
the outlier.
You are the anomaly.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Everybody else is out here smashing fucking their sisters, B.
I mean, as a Dominican, you know
what I'm saying? Nah, if I try to smash my sister would smash my face. Nigga.
Shout out to Ingrid.
That's just some fucking power bomb me through the table. Like, nigga, get the fuck, don't touch me, nigga.
Nigga, you trying to fuck me? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Wrong with you, nasty motherfucker?
Trying to fuck your sister. That nigga trying to fuck his sister. I'm like, ma'am, you're on an express bus.
She go on Instagram and be like, yo, this nigga trying to fuck me. Nasty nigga. I love him though. That's my brother. I love him, yo. I'm proud of you.
Bodega Boys, they just ripped out Madison Square Garden.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas is doing their thing. But yo, this nigga trying to fuck me, you nasty motherfucker. But happy birthday though. I love you. Then she posts like mad pictures of us like through the years.
She mad flattered. At the same time disgusted. Don't be fucking your siblings.
Don't fuck your siblings, fam. That's not what they made for.
Thank you, Usher.
That's not what they made for.
You got big plans for Thanksgiving?
Oh man. Oh my God. I love having a house. Mm-hmm. The only drawback to having a house is that people think that like you are available to host things. Mm-hmm. And this year, Thanksgiving will be hosted at my house.
Are you looking forward to that?
And nah, because it's like I don't got like the cooking is like kind of pre-done a little bit. You know, pernil, all that shit got to be like marinating for like the day before.
Right.
So all that shit is already bagged and ready to go. All you got to do is just throw it in the slow cooker, let it rock. Mm-hmm. So I'm like, all right, you know what I'm saying? Like, and it's like it's not crazy. You know what I'm saying? It's just like her family, my immediate family, like a couple cousins here there. So it's not gonna be crazy, but it's a first time for everything. So you never know. Shit could go left. I could be wild drunk and take my shirt off and shit and start arguing with my mother-in-law and shit about like, you know, the Giants offensive line and shit. And we fight outside. You know what I mean?
I met your mother-in-law at the Massacre Garden show.
Yeah.
That's all right. She's got a firm grip. I respect her.
She got the one firm handshake grip. She was like, hey, how are you doing?
I was like, hey. Oh, that's my shop right hand. Oh. Wow.
Yeah.
Now I'm just gonna, just get a couple of Papa John's pizzas. Me and Charlie gonna sit there with the lights off.
Papa John's.
Couple of hot ready pizza. If you get a hot ready pizza on Thanksgiving, either your oven broke or you gonna kill yourself.
Yo, fam.
There's no in between.
Your oven broke because you tried to kill yourself the night before by sticking your head in it. So
your
now
last
you gotta
words
order
are pizza. The investigator's like, what does it mean? Little Caesars on Amsterdam. Yeah, he comes in there every night. Gets a hot and ready by himself. I made a joke. I was like, oh, you're going to be alone this Thanksgiving?
Hey.
He looked at me and just walked out.
Now they made it so that you don't have to have the shame of having to talk to another human being while you pick up your Little Caesars pizza.
Yeah,
because you can just order the app and then it's just like in a compartment. I'm like, yo, this shit is getting too futuristic for me, man.
I mean, in the future, all we're going to eat is hot and ready pizzas from Amazon.
That's it.
And
Soylent.
We're going to eat hot and ready pizzas before our shift in Amazon. That's why they're making the headquarters in New York. We all are going to work at Amazon. Like, Amazon owns New York. You think de Blasio standing up for us? And Cuomo was like, let him work.
Let him do it.
Let him work. I named the bridge after my father. Go fuck yourself.
Go fuck you.
Go fuck yourself.
Yeah. Guess what?
Guess what? I beat the redhead from Sex and the City.
Hey.
Huh? How about that?
You know what else I'm going to do? I'm going to change Jackie Robinson Parkway to motherfucking Jeff Bezos Parkway. Suck my dick from the back.
How about that?
Pow, hold that.
Who's gonna stop me?
Nah.
I'm Ace Ventura in the mask. Somebody stop me. No, I'm looking forward. I'm looking forward to when we all work in Amazon. We're like peeing on bottles and shit.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Losing fingers and shit, boxing up,
Yeah, but I saw that. I was outraged. I was like, how dare Amazon have the audacity to come into a community in New York?
Yeah.
It just changed the whole culture.
And then you forgot that LIC was just like strip clubs and factories. And
no, my phone rang and it was like, you have 3 Amazon Prime deliveries. And I was like, oh, I'm part of the problem. As I went to my Amazon hub and picked up my 4 things that I normally would not, things that if in real life, I would not buy. Things that's like they're out the way, but you smacked that night on Amazon like
tell you, bro.
Oh shit! Remember Rainbow Bright? Give me all the doors from the Rainbow Bright connection.
I missed you in there like,
yo, what kind of glasses did Sophia Petrillo wear on Golden Girl? Order 10.
Order on the
shit.
You know what I'm saying? You don't even care.
Like, yo,
you don't even care if it's third party.
Kids movie about a rooster that thought he was Elvis. Rockadoodle? Okay, bring me the Blu-ray. Just out there ordering everything.
Yo, and they get you because they be like, people who order this also order this.
You like, that makes sense.
That makes perfect sense.
That makes sense. You go down a wormhole because you'll buy like one thing and they'll be like, you also order this, order this. Next thing you know, you're buying like a whole kitchen to cook meth.
You went from fucking buying a pair of gloves to now you're buying a fucking strawberry holder out of nowhere. Like, how did this happen, B?
You're like, oh, let me just get a knitted hat. And next thing, like, you ordered a $7,000 toboggan. You're like,
okay, I
overnight.
Guess. All right.
And then they get you at the end. They're like, yo, you get it tomorrow.
If you add,
you ever look at postal workers be on the mass? If you look in the back of UPS trucks, that shit is nothing but Amazon packages now. They just hopped it out of nowhere.
Yep.
Like they're taking advantage.
It's fam.
They're scamming.
Stop the teeth in.
We need to tax Amazon at a higher rate. Trump warned you about this.
I told you.
They're also failing Washington Post.
I think Jeff Bezos might be the next president.
You know, he doesn't even have to be the president. Like Amazon could take over the country. We can't do shit about it.
He can't do shit about it. Niggas just send the drones. That's what they're developing those fucking robots.
They got those drones.
You know what I'm saying? At the fucking in Cambridge.
Think about it. If you're gonna buy guns, where's the first place you're gonna buy guns? Amazon. Amazon don't sell guns, or so they say. Mm-hmm. Jeff Bezos probably just got mad ARs under his bed,
fam.
Like new shits.
I guarantee you,
shit get you banned from Call of Duty.
There's some shit in Amazon. There's like a loophole for like, you know, if you're like Amazon Illuminati, the way you buy a certain product, like let's say like a jar of peanut butter, right?
Right.
And then you put in a coupon code, and that jar of peanut butter turns into an AK, and they send you an AK.
Preach.
You know what I'm saying? Keep your third eye open.
I don't think that's how it works, but preach.
Keep your third eye open, yo.
That sounds like someone's drunk off the coquito conspiracy theory. You gotta move the kids out the room because you're about to say some racial slurs.
Some wild shit.
Your son smiles a lot, you know. You know what that means. You're like, all right, we gotta leave.
Okay, we gotta go. Sorry.
You gotta go.
Sorry.
You gotta go.
Time to move.
Get out of here. Get away from him. Get away from him.
He's drank too much coquito. He's too lit.
You know, for a white woman, you're hot. You're like, okay, we gotta get out the
house. Come on.
So let me ask you something. Your hair, what does it feel like? Steel wool or yarn? I've always wondered that.
Yeah, you mind if I touch it?
Yeah, no. They don't ask. They just touch.
Hey,
here's a casserole.
Hey.
Just touch your forehead.
Hey, what's that? Oh,
whoa.
It does feel like a sponge. Like
shit, it's not a map.
It's like the sponge with the face in it.
Oh, look at me. I'm Gwen Stefani. I'm walking in the spider webs.
Yo.
Scotty-Dean.
Yo, shout out to the Knicks. Shout out to the Knicks.
The Knicks have been competing. They haven't been winning, and they're losing because we're trying to go to Zion.
Look,
to Zion.
The road to Zion.
Yes.
Look, this is the rule you need to apply if you're a Knicks fan. Mm-hmm. Check the spread, and if the Knicks cover,
sounds like a gambling addict. Continue. As a Knicks fan, you should be looking at development of players and not sports numbers.
Yeah, just look at the spread.
Mero the Greek
to make yourself feel better. Because it's hard. Yo, I watched that game yesterday, and Portland is one of the best teams in the West. Mm-hmm. And it's like the Knicks was right there with them until the final seconds.
They gained nothing from winning.
That's what I'm saying.
It's like, okay, every now and then in Call of Duty, you'll come into a ranked match, and you'll come in late. So they put you in, people are already playing. Yeah. You'll come in, and your team is, no lie, because they have like endurance challenges now. Yeah. You can be down, your team will have 29 points, and the other team will have 300 points, and there's 6 minutes left in the round. What Call of Duty says, if you lose that match, you don't get the loss on your record, but you get all the experience points you get from playing that match. So if you stay there, you can upgrade your weapons, you learn different techniques, you see why the team is so good. And at the end, only thing that's affected is like your kill loss rating, which is all right. Only nerds think about that. Yeah. So that's the way I think about the Knicks season. It's just like, they're getting a chance to move the ball. Yeah. They're getting a chance to play with each other. They're gonna
young dudes,
well.
yes.
So you know what I'm saying?
Well, the young dudes is getting run. I'm excited about the coaching.
We always made that joke. Being a Knicks fan is about the journey, not the destination.
That's absolutely right.
And you eventually become so zen with it. You're just like, you see the bigger picture. Yeah. You're happy for the young players. Yeah. And you're not like, we have to win right now.
No.
You know what I'm saying? You can put it off.
Yeah, fam.
For another day.
I have a theory that Porzingis is ready to play right now.
Right.
But they just got him on ice. Like, we're going to take mad L's this season, get Zion, come back, and just destroy the East.
Yes.
Like, you know what I'm saying?
Also, shout out to all those Knicks fans who are 1,000% guaranteed that we're getting Zion, only to have our hurts ripped out.
Yes.
Like, we have every player we've ever won. The only player we ever got was Amari Stoudemire, and we didn't really want him. Yeah. He just showed up like, what's up?
Before that,
I'm here now.
When was the last time? I think Patrick Ewing was the last draft pick that Knicks fans were like, yo, we want this dude.
Yes.
And like, unanimously.
Shout out to NBA commissioner for making the envelope cold. Remember that whole shit? Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Shit was nice. Yeah. Yo, shout out to Kemba Walker, Pride of the Bronx, out here cooking niggas.
Yo, he beat the brakes off Boston. Man, yo, I watched that replay on fucking the highlights on NBA TV.
Mm-hmm.
Woo! I was so hyped.
Pride of Soundview.
You know what I'm saying?
And he's about to get that max contract
You
for
know what I'm
Charlotte. I
saying?
think what's he gonna get, like 220 mil or some stupid shit?
If he stays,
Where else could he go?
I mean, he could
no
go
one,
anywhere.
no one else is paying that for him.
Who
else is paying that for Kemba Walker?
He's worth it.
He's worth it.
Yeah.
But like many a woman in a relationship will find out, what you're worth is not necessarily what you get. Like he's not getting his full worth from any NBA. Only Charlotte could pay him. And that's sad because they're just gonna pay him just to be there.
Yeah, you're wasting your prime years.
And then if you were Kemba, like it's easy to be like, yo, I'll take a pay cut to come. Nah, you wouldn't. You wouldn't.
Nah, I mean, that's true. I wouldn't. But like at the same time, it's like if it depends on his contract. Because if he has like the type of contract where he like the Charlotte puts out the offer, and if a team matches, he can bounce. Then we're in a different. You know what I'm saying? We're in a different.
What team? No team could possibly match this.
The Knicks can match him.
The Knicks cannot match.
The Knicks got to dump
max.
The Knicks got to dump Courtney Lee. They got to get him out of here.
Oh wow. Okay. Hold on. Well, it's Mike and the fan over here.
Yeah,
let's hear this convoluted plan over here to get Kemba Walker on the Knicks.
Courtney Lee and Tim Hardaway Jr. I love y'all. Y'all gotta go. If you just get those two dudes off the books, bring in Kemba, we good money. Straight up.
Tim Hardaway Jr. is inconsistent, but he's good for the team. Like you. That's not enough to get Kemba.
But he's gonna ask. He's the next nigga in line to ask for the Supermax. He's gonna be like, yo, who else is dropping 30 a night and doing the shimmy?
I mean, the Knicks put themselves in that situation
all the time.
That's
they
about the Knicks
management.
Yeah. Knicks don't got Kemba money. Nobody got Kemba money. Only Charlotte got Kemba money.
But Michael Jordan is notorious for being like, yo, I'm not paying this nigga.
Michael Jordan's gonna pay him. Michael Jordan's gonna release like the Kemba 12s or some shit.
Kemba 12s.
And my stupid ass gonna buy them on Saturday morning. And that's how they're gonna keep Kemba Walker. They're gonna be like influenced by Soundview. It's gonna have like fucking gravel and the fucking lace. She's gonna be super limited. I'm still gonna get it.
She's gonna be a hypodermic needle in the tongue and shit.
You know what? You're gonna stop with your Bronx slander, nigga. Okay, we're on the rise. We got a bagel joint.
Yo, we got a bagel joint.
We got Milk. Shout out to Milk Burgers. Milk Burgers. Go to Milk Burgers. They got the best burgers in the Bronx. I'll fight you. They got their own potato roll. It's very
the potato roll. Yeah, you need that.
Good.
Yo, listen. If you want to make a burger and official, and you're not using potato rolls, you're not official. You need the potato rolls. Man.
Also, shout out to me. I bought a bread maker this week. Suburban Desus in the building.
Shit.
You know what I'm saying? I make bread, nigga.
Okay, both ways. We out here.
Oh yeah, both ways. I mean, you know what I'm saying? It's very comforting. Just come home, put the ingredients in, turn it on, and the house smells like bread.
Like bread.
Shit.
You're like, yo,
like I'm out here baking.
I'm out here domestic.
You know what I'm
saying? Doing my own
Looking
thing.
for new recipes. Coming up with new recipes.
Niggas on allrecipes.com and shit like,
I'm making hood recipes. I was like, yo, can I make a egg drop soup bread? Vienna sausage bread. A donut sticks bread. Putting mad Dutch guts in. Yeah.
Come through with Dutch gut scones.
Yeah. Careful, they're hot. They're like, what's in this? I was like, hot tamales.
Yeah. A little cardamom.
They're like, oh, spicy. I was like, those are sour Skittles.
Yeah.
How'd you feel?
I'd enjoy them.
Yeah, bacon bread. You know what I'm saying? I try to get more domestic. My shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about like knitting. Knitting is like kind of gangster.
Yeah, knitting is gangster.
You walk around with the two needles and shit.
You could assault somebody. Like it's, you know what I'm saying?
It could be run up. But I'm gonna knit with hypodermic needles.
Lit.
Niggas thinking about that.
Yeah. Especially if one of them is kind of crooked. And it looks like used.
Dirty.
Niggas ain't fucking with you.
Nice.
They ain't fucking with you at
Michael
all.
Anthony knows that.
Yeah.
He wants that.
He's like, bro, y'all crooked needles are the best, bro. That means they've been used, bro. That means they got some hot shit.
Michael Anthony, I sold you a hat. It's cold out there. When you go see Julio, please put this on.
Fuck you. You know why? Because I'm going to get a hot bag and I'm going to be warm in a second, you fucking bitch.
Like, you were stuck outside for 8 hours yesterday because of the snowstorm and then you weren't even in the car. So I worry about you. You were just on the ground. You thought you were a turtle. You kept calling on Mitch McConnell. I worry about you. Why are you doing so much drugs?
Niggas walking through the snow barefoot to be Julio and shit. They come back with purple feet.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open lane. Meeting Julio. Gonna shoot up in my face. Ho, 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 ho. That's right. The Rockefeller Experience. Michael Anthony and the Rockettes. Shoot up.
We see when the Rockets leaning and shit. Like,
They're kicking the hypodermic needles with their legs like,
ow.
hey, little boy, what would you like today for Christmas?
Yeah, I mean, you got any bundles? Yeah.
Bundles of joy for good little boys. Like, hey, listen, you fat bastards.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm talking about
that's
fucking
how I'm
dope
telling
sick.
you, I'm
I'm
fucking-
gonna throw up in your fucking lap
Come
if you
on,
don't got what
man,
you got.
bro. My kidneys hurt, bro. Come on.
Now, while we're on the topic, would you want to buy some reindeer? Got one with a red nose. I think he's a purebred.
I found them outside.
Yeah,
you
you
know,
want 'em?
He was lost.
Also, unrelated to the topic, I also have fresh reindeer meat if you want it. Chopped it up myself. Yes, Michael Anthony and Bad Santa 3.
Bad Santa 3. Him and Billy Bob Thornton and shit just taking over the world. Yo. Something Billy Bob
Like a little
Thornton.
kid, like, yo, Santa, I can't get in your lap if you're shooting up. Well, I mean, you're not getting in my lap then.
Fuck you.
Sorry, kids. Santa's going on the break. Coming in theaters this Christmas.
The elf is like, he's choking on his tongue. He's choking on his tongue. They gotta get more security and shit with a vacuum to suck his tongue out and
They
shit.
got a fucking new reindeer called Narcan. Sad.
Oh, Dasher on Narcan.
On Narcan. No, like seriously, on Narcan right now. He's not out.
They hit him out. Get him.
Just on the fucking sled, knocking off mad chimneys and shit. Passed out.
Narcan come through, just take a fucking thing off his antler. Like, go ahead.
Imagine you wake up Christmas morning and fucking Santa's passed out under your tree. Oh shit, with his dick out.
With his laptop open and shit to open to like fucking Pornhub and shit.
Miss Naughty Mrs. Claus while Santa's away. He's getting gangbanged by mad elves. It's like, oh shit. I knew that nasty bitch.
And it's just the nigga with the Timbs that always wears Timbs, smashing his
Oh,
clothes.
the elves are black?
Oh, that was a black.
You find Santa passed out with the milk and fucking his dick out and like a half-eaten cookie.
And Santa comes to the crib and all the elves are like, just watch, motherfucker.
It's nasty.
And he's just sitting in the corner with like his little Santa dick, like
Nigga making a
crying and shit.
Nigga making a little wooden train like. This is for Billy and Sydney.
And she's like, this is from Mrs. Claus. Oh my God. Jamel, oh fuck.
All the elves are watching the window like, hey ho, she's getting her back blown out of yo.
Oh, has Scabby me.
Oh,
Sound like Eminem.
all day we work and play, Mrs. Claus just getting slayed. Oh shit!
She made me
Nigga got a fucking icicle
me.
dildo. All right, this got X-rated. We have ruined Christmas. You don't even want to hear our story for Three Kings Day.
Nah, you don't.
That shit is a mess.
It involves trizzing.
Triz.
As soon as we get to the crib, let's get triz.
Niggas is following the North Star. That shit is just a cum stain. All right, yo. It's been episode 135 of the most dangerous Bodega Boys podcast in the building. Who is it? It is I. Think it's nice, aka Young Chipotle. Shout out to Chipotle because a new food outbreak of E. coli has broken out. Romaine lettuce.
Oh.
But it's not, you don't get romaine lettuce at Chipotle. So shout out to Chipotle for not making people sick.
Okay.
And shout out to romaine lettuce being the livest and realest vegetable out there. Romaine lettuce has more bodies than your favorite rapper. Think about that.
That's true. Think about it.
Think about
You know
it.
what I'm saying?
Out here killing niggas. Also, thanks to Thanksgiving, don't eat no romaine lettuce.
Yeah, romaine lettuce is like, oh, my niggas killers, I'm a killer too.
She's on the table. I'm like, yo, why's that sound like I have a gun?
Why is that Cobb salad pointing a tech at me? Like,
Nigga with the sticky out. You just put the cover back on it. Like, yo.
okay.
They got Johnny with the hidden rally
Who
ranch.
bought this? And
Oh, shit.
And this is your fucking cousin with the rainbow hair?
Your boy, Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Terrio, aka Pocket Stay Fat like, here we go. For the record, Terrio, if you are under pressure and people are forcing you to do videos to go viral, blink 3 times and let us know. Because the videos
please.
you making right now, man, they're not helping your anti-bullying campaign, my guy.
They're worrying us.
Yeah. like Terrio, come home. Chris Stapps or Sling Dick, Eli Litby, Butcher Bully Gully, Slow But That Might Know You Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rondo, 1994 in Nueva York. Yeah. Mikhail going off, the Juve boss, MC the P, putting up for 40. With whom? You're shorty. AKA, don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you. And then for God's sakes, if we're in the Uber pool for more than 4 hours, I just want to point out we're not in a relationship.
That's it.
So, like, listen, call your beneficiaries. Let me get on your insurance. Let me get on your Cobra.
You know what I mean? Give me power of attorney.
Because now
your
we are bonded.
You know what I'm saying?
The original +1 God +1 to make a fuss son. DJ Rossi and Jamaican Jew.
Oh.
Hanukkah coming up soon, right?
Hey,
right.
The Festival of Lights.
You know what it is.
Let's
go.
do it.
Whoa. I got to pay up to put stars in the driveway?
Hey, what's
I don't
going on
think so.
there? Just make sure you get home before sundown.
Jermaine Avocado Toast, young to go to Mufasa. Young Charcuterie without the coonery, aka Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees.
Oh.
K. Loke.
Papi.
Now pitching live in London.
Yo, papi, estamos lindo.
Yeah, we in London, man. I smoked a hookah overboard.
Papi, I know it is sporty dick, okay?
Oh my God.
Yo, Sabathia. Bring them edibles to London, nigga. Three Phone Jones, DJ Machina, Jay Chuck, Stanley Cut, the Human Dr. Bottles label. Dilute.
3 times.
Matter of fact, dilute 2 more times. That shit will burn your ass. I have a bottle of that shit. That shit do not play. That's the only soap you can use on your body and then use to clean the bottom of your shower. That shit is strong as shit.
This shit just drip off you and clean your shower.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Leonardo the Trap, yo, Mr. 240. Because like my Pinot blurry. Shout out to all the tube sites out now ripping old videos I knew from 10 years ago.
Yo.
And putting them on tube sites. And I see them and like I'm just trying to jerk off and now I get nostalgic. I was like, oh shit.
Oh, remember her?
Oh my God, I was working at this place.
Oh, shit.
Wow.
Wow, Animal. She's
Trying to
dead.
beat my meat. Now you turn into the episode of Wonder Years. How you feel?
Damn, you fucked me up.
Nasty.
I do respect though the ones that upload and the old shit and like somehow upgrade the video quality.
So you can sometimes upgrade the video quality, but you know what? If you really trying to beat your meat, you don't care about video quality.
Yeah.
You just turn that shit up loud.
You just want to hear the
DJ Woolite, aka the Wash FM. Up next, we got 48 hours
Yes.
of the most ratchet and the most holy ever
Oh my
to drop on stage.
That's right.
Shout out to Mary. I'm gonna check in.
Yeah. That's right, yo.
Also, the song Shackles, she was like, Shackles, because I'm gonna praise him. Praise him sounds like a blowjob.
Oh yeah.
All their songs sound like you about to fuck God.
Yeah.
It's hot. It's hot.
It's weirdly hot.
Don't forget they had that song, I'm gonna Ride Jesus.
Yeah.
That's not a real song, but you didn't know. You had to look it up. The Curry Gold, Jesus Spicer, the Hashburn, the Bronx, Leon Dion, Ray and Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain no. The Human Memory, Word of Jar, Young Aaron, the Racist Provocateur, Henry Budcoast, Nelson Bank, Della Surgery, can't see me, Vladimir. Boofin. Shout out to Interpol for not voting in the Russian guy as president of Interpol. We got a South Korean guy because that just would have been like, I mean, that would be like a Russian running Carmen Sandiego's organization. What was Carmen Sandiego's organization? What was it called? No, who was the people trying to catch Carmen Sandiego?
Oh, Rockapella?
This nigga said Rockapella. Who was it? It was Acme.
Acme Sleuths.
Wow, Acme Sleuths. We were never told why Carmen Sandiego was like stealing art. Was she stealing it to give it back to people, or was she just had like the wild swanky apartment?
I don't know.
She had money for like red hats and shit.
And a trench coat.
Damn, she was like trolling niggas. Like she was walking through airports with like the Da Vinci statue in all red.
Yeah.
And why wasn't TSA stopping her? Like she's just carrying like the Mona Lisa through carry-on.
And you know what's crazy? When you go through TSA now, niggas be like, yo, take off your hat, take off your glasses. They never said that to her?
Never. She out here cooking. Her and Mavis Beacon were doing like some Ocean's 11 thing.
That's right.
I'm just letting y'all know, open your third eye.
Open your third eye to calcify your pineal gland.
The human world is melting in your mouth. Mr. Beck on deck of 10.
That's
Ricky
right.
Tiki Squawky. Greg. You gotta say that so you feel like a little warmth coming
You know what I'm saying? Like,
little kind of humid.
little ASMR shit.
You know what I'm saying? You peel the cheeks apart and it's like, you know you about to eat some quality butt. If you pull it apart, it sounds like a wave, like a white noise machine. It's like,
It's mad comic. I feel like I'm in my therapist's office.
once they just said, Mahatma Gandhi, not back at me, but I got your cucumber. Did you suppress? But your boy never is.
Never press.
Zanny bars. I am on the art, damn it. The Don Dada Ganoush, Nora Cup of Noodles, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova Casanova. We made cent, 5, 10, 10, $10. Forget the small change. Give me big money and wine.
I need.
We gotta remake that, but about Bitcoin.
Bitcoin wine.
The only anthem I salute is Dipset.
What?
Mr. Sager, catch me at square one, top left, trying to jump Pusha T.
Yo, don't cheese me, bro.
Throwing mass beverages, pawn mans.
Yo. Man's is a trash man. He's a waste man.
Man's is a water man. Man's is the Aquaman.
He's Aquaman.
Catch me hiding out in Scarborough.
Man's is hydrated, eh?
Holy cow. Catch me at the money store. Mr. Soft Clowns, because all I do is count checks and jerkle.
Yeah.
We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and
What's
it's
that?
me, Sunny D.
Wow. Hi.
Do you want orange juice that has no nutritional value? It's me.
Yay.
David Yerman. When you got too much money and you buying bad jewelry.
Yeah.
You don't see me mad David Yerman when I'm on my third marriage.
Nigga.
Now I don't wear no type of shoes that cover my toes.
Just man, skinny chains with like a huge charm at the end and shit.
I have like some like a thing. What's that blue topaz shit? Like the cowboy bolo.
Oh, the
whatever.
bolo tie?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, bolo ties on deck for the future. We lit.
At every Showtime meeting, wild awkward. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Smoking no Andrew Cunanan. DG the Junior, Energy God Junior.
See punny, wine punny it.
Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. They're like, sir, again, that's not how you pronounce the breed. I was like, I got your bitch on freeze. AKA the topic of gossip is Syosset. Shout out to the pride of Syosset, one A$AP Rock.
Oh,
I did not know he was from there.
Oh shit.
No one cares. Okay, Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. And if he scratches you and you get that toxo whatever, toxo glassa whatever.
Yeah, I had to get a tetanus shot after my cat bit me.
Yeah, that's what you get.
I mean, I was trying to help him. I took him to the vet.
Cats don't need help. All right, get out of here. Cats don't believe in Western medicine. Mr. Chopper, that street is the bad research I'm using. Please believe me. The black Asian addict will crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Miss Lauren, a mesh manure, a freshman demeanor, and a cold demeanor. The sheet mask killer. Ella. No one could be iller. Tonight I'm gonna put on the ginseng and egg yolk on, so I look my best. I look radiant.
Radiant.
When you use a facial mask, so once you look radiant, you know that shit works.
Make it work.
AKA your problematic bae. Yes. Bring up your deep, dark family secret at the Thanksgiving table.
That's right.
Now's the best time to
It's
air
the best
grievances.
time.
You didn't hug me enough.
I hate you, Dad.
I don't think you're my mother. I think you're my grandma. Dun, dun, dun.
How are you so much older than me?
Your other aunt, she's like choking on the pig. I was like, Why no one cuts grandma's chin hairs?
Why?
Why?
You could at least pluck them.
Or at least coif them over. It's a holidays. Make it look festive.
There's one that's mad long and curly. I can see it from across the table.
Cousin Harry fucked the poinsettia. Up next, we got
It's your boy, you know what I'm
it's your
saying?
boy.
The Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Clap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, you know what I'm saying?
Dab on
a.k.a.
him.
Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? I respect Juicy J, but fuck Wiz Khalifa.
Fuck him.
A.k.a. Skirt Loader, jump the curb at your dog. Fucking Labradoodle, nigga. I don't care, nigga. I keep it moving.
It's Thanksgiving.
Oh, shit. A.k.a. I know fucking baby, I fucking Ming, my nigga.
Fucking
You know what I'm
Ming.
saying? Oh, my God, Lukey, oh, my God. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. no need to check the guest list. I am the guest list. My name definitely on there. I got indicted with Tekashi. Oh, shit. Let me get the fuck out of here.
Oh, shit. He's hot.
A.k.a. CC Dab bath here. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting
Dab.
right in the off season. A.k.a. get into the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy.
Get to it.
Goldman Schmacked. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I got all my kids max deals on the Knicks. They're not going to play, though, because we're trying to tank for Zion. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm
Love
the fucking the dad of the year. You know what I mean?
4 Allen Houstons.
That's right.
Tell me more.
Tell me more. You know what
I
I'm
hope
saying?
they come in the men's warehouse suits.
That's right. You know what I mean? They just go sit on the bench and collect checks.
Get them checks.
You know what I'm
Get those checks.
AKA Big Smack B Young Boy, AKA the Yayo Maradona, AKA Digga Yo Baby Motoba, you know, come on, this pussy no more, this pussy belong to me now, that's it. AKA David Trisdale, pow pow, nigga, take that for data.
Oh, my hard
AKA Barlow's antenna, so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. You know what I'm saying?
I had that zip car next. My band, the Libertines, were playing at the Sound of Music in Williamsburg. How we're supposed to get there now?
Why you woke me up, bro?
Come on, man. Guy, are you all right?
What's up,
Bruh.
Oh, what's up? What?
Bruh,
What?
the zip car.
What?
So I had the zip car next.
Why? Why?
I had zip car next.
What's up?
I have to get to my job advice. What are you doing?
Oh shit. All right, bye. All right, I'm out of here. AKA the Dominican Dundada Dagman Daddy. AKA swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Stop fucking with me. I'm paid. You seen the Nike posters in Japan, nigga. Stop playing before I call the manager and
konnichiwa.
embarrass you, Jeremy.
Actually, it's OVO Jeremy. I helped jump Pusha T.
Yo, I'll kiss. Yo, you know who it is? Tu favorito, mommy. I'll kiss your mommy in front of your whole family at United Palace, nigga. I don't care. Fight me. I will wash you in these Chelsea boots, nigga. You know who it is? Romeo Santos, nigga. So Zanny.
Haha, joke's on you. That's my abuelita. But she's only 24.
AKA Light No Dutchie. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke and think I 5. You know what I'm saying? So get out of here with your fucking mango pina, nigga. We smoking gas. You know what I'm saying? Scientific weed.
Smoking that loud.
You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls inflated. AKA feel the ass tasting. I want to explore your cosmos, ma. You know what I'm saying? We're living in a dimension, but I want to live in a dimension where I can eat your butt. You know what I'm saying? And that dimension exists. Call me Feel the Ass Tyson. AKA Frank El Messi, MVP of Gelato. AKA Daniel Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me.
Where?
At Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? If you get the dolete roll and the hookah is free. You know what I'm saying? Just say Mero sent you.
Say Bodega Boys 20 to get 20% off on your next seamless order from Mama Sushi.
That's right. AKA Ben Boston.
Boo! Boo!
Hey, yo, chill.
Boo!
Yo, Candy, get the strap.
Get that bum!
Get that.
You don't even be working on brains, nigga. You sold out.
Yo, man, listen. Let me tell you something.
Yo, my house has mold, nigga.
Let me tell you something.
Should have popped you at Popeyes.
My hands are gifted, and that's why I took your burner away. My hands are gifted. I will replace your ear canal with a vaginal canal or anal, depending on your preference. Because fuck what you heard. I am the nicest ever. Rest in peace, Big Pun. And happy birthday, my nigga. AKA, I'll be your medicine cabinet because I'm the fucking Zen man. AKA, Rico Sabroso.
We are interrupting this news broadcast to report that there has been an overdose on Xannies. Long Island. Apparently, someone called the Zen man is running down the LIE just throwing pills out the window. We are going to Long Island 12 for more.
Hey, how you doing? It's Mike Francesi over here, and this guy's wilding out. He's got his cock out.
He's throwing pills over here. Man.
Yeah, I don't know what he's doing, but he's got
a PT Cruiser full of Xannies.
He's going nuts out here. He's got a little pump in the driver's seat.
He said next year in Hempstead. I don't know what that means.
I don't even know what that fucking means. AKA Lucius Lioness, nigga. Come on, officer, man. Why would I be traveling from Miami to New York with a trunk full of cocaine, man? That don't make no sense, man. Come on now, man. Oh shit. Oh goddamn. AKA Baby Newfoot. 2 for 5 niggas got garbage on the way. AKA Nino Brown, shut the Carter down. AKA live from Kennedy Fried Chicken on 176 and Grand Concourse, getting kicked out by Mamadou. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your DD is fucking and Dope Sick Love. Come back to me.
Stevie, excuse me, Stevie.
Hey, what's up?
Trying to buy a beer and they need you to swipe the little card for the ID.
Oh, yeah, I got you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Papi, I knew your father was a good guy.
Thank you. My father had your 8-track.
Yeah. He's a good guy. Hey, Papi, guys, you for favorite, Papi?
Nah, I'm not buying no more Mexican beer. Swipe the damn card.
Oh, okay. All right. I thought I had it.
I'm saying Hot 97 before they play rap.
Oh, I'm sorry, Papi. I apologize. I don't want to embarrass you like that. I'm sorry.
CBP's gonna fuck us up.
Yo, if he fucking even knows who he is.
Like, you can't even swing back on Stevie B. You're like, yo, I'm getting beat up by a legend.
I'll laugh. But they're gonna be watching me and be like, yes, this is amazing. I was like, I hang my phone, like, yo, take a picture.
That's Bronx porn. You know how many TT's gonna rub their fucking cocaine to that? Your mother gonna open her house coat and touch her clit to that? Like, Goya, oh boy.
She gonna go through the beaded curtains, like, yeah.
That's her vagina, the beaded curtains.
AKA straight from across the pond, mate. It's no more rock stars. It's only Bodega Boys, mate. You know who it is. It's the plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, figuring out how to hide my secret family in DR. You know what I'm saying? AKA I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail.
Never.
You know what I'm saying?
A gorilla.
Yeah, gorilla. AK, starting at forward, Houston was whack. Anyway, fam, it's all good. He's enjoying his time off to focus on what's important. It's your boy, Barmelos Anthony.
For 3 hats.
Yo, swish. Opening a bag of Doritos. Yo, listen, AK, if you see me at Target having a panic attack because I realized too late that the do not sweat backwards there, approach me like a motherfucking Ursine mammal, dog. Please. Hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's party. I'll fall asleep and piss on myself. Yo. Whoa, your mom has a great ass, kid. Hooray. Yo. Fam, what do you?
Nah, let him cook. He's kind of lit.
Yo. Oh, that's your wife. I'm sorry, sir. Here's a balloon. Go fuck yourself. I'm starving. You got something to eat? Who got a lighter?
Hey, Benzo, you free after this?
Yeah.
All right, yeah.
Let's get out of here. Let's go smoke
It's
something.
not my kid, but fuck it.
Yeah, let's bounce. Let's get lit. AKA, I saw Fake Lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high of Downey and half a 50 cent soda I found on Old Fridge on Burnside, nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA, Hasan, tírame la pita, coño. Llegó el hijo de Tito y Fufa. ¿Qué fue? Que llegó, tú sabes quién. El hijo de Tito y Fufa. El que mueve el movimiento. El Miguel de los Jackson. Pero vivito y coleando. Siempre bajando con la pintadura. Llegó el animal, llegó la para, la planta, la talla. Tápate el caco, guaremate, que bajamos con la toda sola. Mao City arriba, que lo que, Bronx arriba, que lo que, pero estoy frío en todos los bloques. Real hasta la muerte, oíste, bebé. You know what I'm saying?
Well, that's all well and good, but I already called Uber, so you have to refund my trip.
Your name is Desus?
Yes.
Your name is Desus?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Where you going to do?
Okay, I'm not going to Washington Heights. I don't know why you guys always take me to Washington. I'm going to Trenton.
Yo, I'm taking you to Washington Heights, then you take a car from there. That's it. Get out of here.
It's been episode 135,
Right.
most dangerous podcast in the world. And, of course, special announcement, we got the new live art show coming at the Sydney Opera House
That's
in
right.
Sydney, New South Wales, Australia.
That's
Yes,
right.
Australia, Bodega House. We are finally making that trip across the pond.
Get your tickets
Tickets
now.
available. I've been told the U.S. government is now allowing us to leave the presidents of the United States, and the show is canceled. So, sorry.
Okay. Sorry, guys.
Sorry about that. All right, well, that's all you guys' podcast. Enjoy your Thanksgiving, ball bags. Bye.
Yeah, peace.